County in northwestern Illinois, south central Carroll County in northwestern Illinois, southeastern Jackson County in east central Iowa, northeastern Clinton County in east central Iowa, until 8 p.m. At 6:53 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Savannah to Preston, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clinton, Morrison, Fulton, Savannah, Garden Plain, Preston, Fairhaven, Albany, Sevilla, Miles, Andover, East Clinton, Argo Bay, Union Grove, Pustic, Thompson, Wacker, Ideal, Heath Grove, and Malvern. This also includes Morrison Rockwood State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.